we present FetchAid, a real-time intelligent package fetching assistance tool for people with visual impairments. With the growth of the e-commerce industry and parcel volume, parcel lockers have become an increasingly popular means for package drop-off and pickup in the logistics pipeline. In urban environments, couriers drop off packages in parcel lockers and recipients fetch their packages from parcel lockers. Parcel lockers are widely adopted in different countries, such as Amazon Locker in the US, DHL Packstation in Germany, and Hivebox in China. Parcel lockers consist of a large grid of compartments where the package is stored, and a touchscreen for interaction. Typically, users select to fetch package on the touchscreen, scan the QR code or input a number code, open the door that contains their parcel, and fetch it. Research has shown that this task is highly visually demanding and thus inaccessible to people with visual impairments, especially in three parts: the touchscreen interaction, target open door detection, and safe navigation to the target. As a result, making package fetching from parcel lockers accessible to people with visual impairments calls for an integrated solution to overcome the three main challenges together. We present FetchAid, a mobile application system that provides real-time guidance and feedback to help PVI pick up packages from parcel lockers. FetchAid helps PVI in two phases, the touchscreen interaction phase and the open door searching phase. In the touchscreen interaction phase, the user interface on the parcel locker poses unique challenges. The interface is usually filled with distracting factors, such as advertisements and other buttons like deposit package, so people with visual impairments could easily enter wrong pages. Moreover, with no screen reader or braille available, it is difficult for PVI to know if they have tapped the correct button or input the correct access information, thus causing potential errors during the interaction flow. FetchAid in this phase tracks the user's finger relative to the fetch package button and uses voice feedback to actively guide the user to tap the desired button, and if an error is made, detected by the page tracking model, FetchAid has an error recovery mechanism that guides the user back to the previous page to start over. Once the correct button is tapped, FetchAid automatically scans the QR code and unlocks the compartment door, circumventing the need for user input. Here, the user is on the home page. FetchAid guides the user to tap the Fetch Package button.
向左下移动，向左下缓慢移动，向下缓慢移动，向下缓慢移动，向下缓慢移动，请点击触摸屏取快递。
When the user taps the Fetch Package button correctly, the QR code page will show up on the touchscreen, and FetchAid will automatically prompt the QR code scanner in WeChat to scan the code. Here, the user accidentally clicked the distraction button and is now in a commercial page. FetchAid guides the user to go back to the home page by first telling the user that they are at the wrong page, and then guide the user to tap the back button.
点击错误，请按照语音提示返回上一页，向左上移动，向左上缓慢移动，请点击按钮回到上一页。
After the QR code is scanned, the resulting page will contain the open compartment door's location,
柜门在您的左上方。
which will be read by FetchAid's OCR system to derive the world coordinates of the compartment door relative to the user's device. After the door is unlocked, other challenges entail. The door might be hard to find due to small opening or occlusion, and navigating to the open door might pose safety concerns because the user might be tripped or hit by the open door. The tool should also be aware of the 3D location of the open door to prevent the user from accidentally bumping into or closing the door. FetchAid first analytically derives the open door location based on text reading from the touchscreen. This method is much more reliable than vision-based methods, less prone to out-of-frame object detection errors common in handheld devices. Furthermore, the navigation tool needs to provide high-frequency feedback, which deems remote worker help impractical. And then it should guide the user to reach the door using real-time, intuitive voice feedback. FetchAid uses voice and haptic feedback to guide the user to move to the target door location in closed-loop fashion. It repeatedly measures the user's current position and updates feedback. To minimize the confusion possibly caused by voice feedback, FetchAid guides user to move left or right first and then up or down. Once the user's distance to the target door is within a certain range, FetchAid tells the user to stop and reach for the door.
柜门在您的左上方，请向左移动，请向左移动，请向左移动。